Well, it is finally time for Polly's gender reveal video. If this is your first time in my channel, welcome. Grab a seat, take a drink, just chill. This is gonna be a ride, okay? My name is Yvonne Nicholas. I am an international soul coach, and you can expect a lot more videos like empowerment, of self-development, or just inspiring all around personal stories of how I overcome some of my biggest difficulties, and just ridiculous videos like a bird's gender reveal party. So a little backstory for Polly. We've had this bird for about 17 years and we've never officially known if it's a female or a male. The only way of knowing, because they don't have any physical differences between one gender and the other, the only way of knowing is through a DNA test. And the good people of Centro Veterinario Panama were nice enough to put the results in a sealed envelope that was taken to Carmelitas, who was a complete doll and made a beautiful cake for this baby over here. Huge thanks to everybody that showed up and everybody that supported this crazy idea. I really appreciate it. It was so much fun. And before you go to the video, comment below, do you think it's a girl or it's a boy? Take a good look. What do you think? No cheating, do it before, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it, send it to your friends, and make sure you subscribe. Also, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one, I'm opening 5 magical portals for 5 magical souls that are ready to change their life, take action, and see their dreams come true. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, Polly's gender reveal. Roll the clip. La Polycarpia. Is it Polly? Is it Polo? I don't know, but she bit me. I'm not super happy with her, but I love her. Here we have the results of the test of Polly, of her gender, because we don't know. She's been with us for like 16 years, 17 years? I think 17. And we're gonna get a cake made so that we can actually be surprised, so stay tuned. Oh my gosh, today's the day. It's the freaking day, Polly. It's the day we find out. We find out. Are you a boy or a girl, huh? Are you a boy or a girl? I'm gonna love you either way. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. She's my baby. That's what she is, or he. So yeah, we find out today. I'm gonna pick up the cake. That closes in less than an hour, so I really gotta get going while I chug my celery juice. And I'm gonna hop in the shower. I have like soap on my face, so that's why it's a little glistening. But I'm so excited. Things are so beautiful. Oh my god. Somebody gets Polly a boyfriend, we can make her a wedding. I'm gonna get some snacks at Sophie, so I really don't have anything but the cake. And it's beautiful. Está demasiado bonito. You're gonna love it. Okay, just got out of La Cocina de Sophie. I got my goodies, and I'm gonna go to Jerepe to see if I can get some like decorations and stuff. Estamos ready. Here's Polly. She's excited about her party. It's kind of like her birthday, because I don't know when her birthday is, but this could be it, right? Does it feel like your birthday, baby? I'm sweating because I've just been like prepping downstairs, and now I'm gonna make her little muffins, and we're gonna find out. I'm not ready, Polly. If you're a guy, oh my god, I'm still gonna love you, but like, wow, you know, shocker. Polly, it's go time, girl. ¿Estás lista, mami? She's ready. Or he. Me. Oh, she's in. Me. Alright. Here we are at Polly's gender reveal. I have obviously decorated everything, including her little cage. That's where she's gonna be, in her throne, you know, real fancy. And yeah, we're gonna find out if she's a girl or a boy. We have a cake and it's gorgeous. You'll see it once it's out. We have a few games, just one. And yeah, welcome to Polly's party.
Hay un correo.
Polly. Wait.
¿Tú qué piensas que es?
Yo digo que es hombre.
¿Por qué?
Que tiene cara de hombre.
¿Y tú qué dices que es?
Es niña,
¿Por qué?
porque es poli y porque las logras cuando tiran la comidita hacia afuera.
Igual que todos los hombres.
No, ahí está.
¿Tú qué dices que es?
Niño,
¿Por qué?
porque me salió al azar.
Ah. Liani, ¿tú qué dices que es?
Niña.
¿Por qué?
Es demasiado odiosa para ser niña.
¿Tú? Niño. ¿Por qué? Por el tamaño del perico. ¿Por qué? ¿Tú?
Es niño,
¿Por qué?
porque quiero que compre todo uno celeste. Ya vi que hay algo como celeste, lo veo.
Es niña,
Niña, ¿por qué?
porque she's a bitch.
Quiero que filmes cuando se den cuenta de la vaina. de
¿Tú
que-
qué dices?
Las reacciones.
Que es niña,
No, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué?
porque tiene
¿Por qué?
Porque es niña, porque es chiquita, mala pero chiquita, y creo que si fuera macho fuera como más grande. Entonces yo digo que es niña. ¿Y Bruno qué piensa?
Oye, ¿no tenías que decir unas palabras?
Polly lleva con nosotros 17 años. Algunos nos atormentan, perdón,
Ay, todo.
a veces lo deja tocarse. Fran la ha tocado, Charlie también. Hay testimonios. Pero siempre me llena de alegría, porque cuando llegas es la que siempre te saluda. Que, ¡hola! Y se ríe de tu chico. Así que vamos a ver qué es.
Tienes que guardarlo grande para que puedas comprarlo grande.
No digas nada, no voy a decir.
¡Ay! The girl story.
Dinos la verdad, tú siempre supiste que era...
Yo no. O sea, nosotros presentíamos que era niña toda la vida, así que nos alegra estar bien en lo correcto. Y ya no le tenemos que cambiar el nombre porque eso hubiese sido bien awkward. O sea, yo le iba a poner Polinsky como ruso, pero a nadie le gustaba la idea, la verdad.
Y se rió.
Ya Poli va a dormir. Está sobregirada, a ella no le gusta no estar cerca. Mentira. O sí. And there we have it, Polly's gender reveal video. Polly, tell us, how do you feel now that we know that you're a lady? Interesting, a little bit of commentary. She didn't want to say anything in the Spanish video, so I feel grateful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's super ridiculous and I do appreciate you being here. Special thanks to everybody that showed up to the party. You guys are the best. To all my friends and family, I just can't believe people showed up to a bird's gender reveal, but I do appreciate it. You guys are the best, like I said. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment below, like, have you seen this before? Has anybody done a type of gender reveal party for their pets? Let me know. I want to know if I'm the only one, or, you know, just let me know, what did you think in general? Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. Oh baby, Brief interruption because my baby is too cute. Look at that. Well, guys, I think it's time for bed for both of us, and I hope that you guys have an amazing day, night, afternoon. I don't know what time it is when you're watching this, but if you don't want to miss my live shenanigans, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Facebook. It's Evo_empowers, and then on Twitter, it's Evo hyphen. Oh, she's so sleepy. Love it. Evo_empowers. So have a great night, guys, or day or afternoon. Love you.